Hi, I'm Christy O'Neill. I'm a customer of Nature's Way Pest Control, and I'm happy to tell you how very thrilled I am with their service and how wonderful they've made my yard look. And you can see for yourself, we've had Nature's Way for a couple of years, and I would highly recommend them. They make your yard beautiful. Their products are all natural. Your pets, your kids, your family is safe, and please consider Nature's Way. Nature's Way Pest Control is really the only pest control company I would ever recommend to anyone. They make your yard beautiful. It's safe for your pets, your children, your family. And again, my yard has never looked better. So for reliable, trustworthy, safe service, Nature's Way Pest Control is the company for you.